Thank you. The pandemic has added to the challenge of making sure students get the learning they need, especially at a young age. Channel 2's Andy Sirota is part of our KPRC education team and is joining us now with the concerns and the call for action today. Andy?
Lauren, more than 60% of Texas students are considered low income. Educators and child advocates are particularly worried about the learning loss they're experiencing during this pandemic. It's been significantly magnified, with many, in some cases, falling a year or two behind. When educators and child advocates talk about pandemic learning loss, they are most worried about students in the earliest grades, pre-K, kindergarten, first, second, and third.
For those kids, once you fall behind, it's much more difficult to get up to speed. So we're going to have to figure out, what are we going to do in those early grades?
At a time when resources are stretched thin, school districts across Texas are going to have to try new things with the support of their communities and state education leaders.
We've got to make sure that we're locking arms with parents, with students, with nonprofits and community organizations moving forward so that we are all able to deliver the very best to our kids.
The concerns around pandemic learning loss go beyond academic achievement. At the onset of the pandemic, Mental Health America of Greater Houston started offering free self-mental health screening tests. Since March, there's been an exponential increase in the total number of screens per month. In August, 63% of the youth in Harris, Fort Bend County, and Houston screened at risk for emotional or behavioral difficulties. 50% of parents screened showed similar results.
Caregivers, educators, and advocates must collaborate to ensure the mental health needs of our youth are met. We encourage parents to understand the signs and symptoms of mental health conditions.
A representative with the Texas Education Agency says he recognizes the challenges that have been placed on families and school districts, including the digital inequalities that exist in many areas, and that the agency will continue to look for ways to support the school system and students across Texas. Lauren.
Andy.